Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. Welcome back to another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the factory data reset in your device Realme Narzo 50 Prime. So if in this device you want to do the factory data reset, like you want to erase all the data or wipe up all the data from the device, you can do it just in 2 steps, by the way, as I will tell you. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can factory data reset. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Now let's watch the video.